The Hyundai Santa Fe comes equipped with a built-in HomeLink system that allows you to control compatible garage doors, gates, or home lighting directly from your vehicle. Instead of carrying a separate remote, the HomeLink buttons integrated into the rearview mirror can store the signal from your garage door opener. Once programmed, you can operate the door conveniently with a single press while sitting in your vehicle. The setup process is simple and usually takes only a few minutes. Try these. Step 1. Turn the vehicle ignition to accessory or on mode and locate the three HomeLink buttons on the rearview mirror. Step 2. Hold the garage door remote close to the mirror, then press and hold the remote button and the desired HomeLink button at the same time. Step 3. Continue holding both buttons until the HomeLink indicator light changes from slow blinking to rapid flashing. Step 4. Go to your garage door opener motor and press the Learn or Program button on the unit. Step 5. Return to the vehicle and press the programmed HomeLink button to test and confirm the garage door opens or closes properly.